Reach high, aim high, and obtain. For those of you that do canning, we love these dissolvable canning labels. It washes away literally like magic, on like it says on the side, because instead of writing on the top what it is, it permits us to literally put a label on the top and reuse the lid without having to worry about marking something out or trying to remember what's in it, because the lid's been used so many times. So this provides us, like you can see here, the fabulous writing that says what it is and the date that it was created. And we just love using these particular ones because you can see the difference. Okay, so you did a label on top and then a label here on the front because it sticks really good. Oh, I think there's something under that lid. Yep, there we go. There we go, now it's smooth. So that if you are one that puts it on a shelf where you can't see the top, you can have a label on the front that allows you to see what you have in there. Or if it's in a box like this, it allows you to just put it on the top like this.
And that way, I've got my cover to keep my jars clean.
Cool.
Once I can. I'm going to show you what I did right here. See, what I do is I start down here as low as I can when I open these cases, and then I come up the side so that I can have that right there.